Australia's involvement in Afghanistan was marked not only by military operations, but by grave allegations of war crimes. Multiple credible reports reveal that Australian Special Forces, between 2009 and 2013, unlawfully killed at least 39 Afghan civilians and prisoners. These were not acts in the heat of battle, but deliberate killings, incidents that, if proven in court, constitute war crimes. The Brereton report, released in 2020 after 4 years of investigation, confirmed these findings. The report led to the disbandment of the 2nd SAS Squadron, the creation of a Special Investigators Office, and orders to strip medals from implicated units. Yet justice has been painfully slow. 4 years later, only one person has been formally charged, and that case has yet to reach court. Specific incidents tell harrowing stories. In February 2009, in the village of Sorkmorgap, Special Forces raided a wedding compound, killing 4 men and 2 small children with grenades. Survivors recall the screams, the barking dogs, and the deaths of entire families. In March 2012 in Sarkoma, unarmed civilians, including a 4-year-old, were stabbed or beaten. In September 2012 in Darwan, soldiers forced a young man, Ali Jan, up a cliff before kicking and shooting him to his death, later planting a radio to fake evidence. International reactions have been strong. The UN Human Rights Council, Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch have called for immediate, independent prosecutions and full reparations to victims. Afghan human rights groups demand that survivors and families be included in every stage of justice. Critics say the investigation's reliance on military-controlled bodies undermines independence and delays risk erasing evidence. Lawmakers and rights advocates insist that accountability must reach the highest levels of command, not just frontline soldiers. In 2024, Australia passed a new victim compensation law, but experts warn it treats reparations as charity, not as a binding legal duty under international law. Meanwhile, Afghan families still wait for truth, justice, and guarantees these crimes will never be repeated. The war crime scandal in Afghanistan remains an unprecedented test for Australia's credibility. The Brereton report exposed the truth, but the path to justice is far from complete. To honour its obligations under the Geneva Conventions and the Rome Statute, Australia must act decisively, prosecuting perpetrators, fully compensating victims, acknowledging the truth, and ensuring non-recurrence. Only then can justice be served and the wounds of war begin to heal.